Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? Walaikum assalam. We all are fine, what about you? Yes miss, we all fine. I'm also fine and today we are going to explore about types of X-rays. Are you all ready? Yes miss, X-rays have two types. Good. K series and L series are the types of X-rays. Next we will discuss about K series. K series. These are produced by the elements anodes, having large atomic number. These spectral lines have short wavelengths and high energy. K series. These are produced by the elements anodes, having large atomic number. These spectral lines have short wavelengths and high energy. Because transition of electrons occur from high energy level to low energy level, means there is big difference between energy level. Moseley used different anodes and analyzed the intensity of X-rays on the basis of wavelengths. There are two main types of spectral line of X-rays.
Miss, what is anodes?
The anode or anticathode is the component of the X-ray tube where X-rays are produced. It is a piece of metal, shaped in the form of a beveled disc with a diameter between 55 and 100 mm, and thickness of 7 mm, connected to the positive side of the electrical circuit. Let's watch be carefully this video.
Let us see the origin of the characteristic X-ray spectra. Few of the fast-moving electrons having a velocity of about 1/10 of the velocity of light may penetrate the surface atoms of the target materials and knock out the tightly bound electrons even from the innermost shells like K-L shells of the atom. The figure shows the case when the fast-moving electrons knock off one electron from K shell and the vacancy is filled by the nearby electron from the L shell. During this transition, the energy difference is radiated in the form of X-rays of a very small wavelength. This corresponds to the K-alpha line of the series. The frequency nu1 of this line is given by the relation Ek minus El is equal to h nu1. Suppose the electron from M shell jumps to the K shell, it gives out K beta line and so on. If an electron jumps from the M shell to the vacant state in L shell, it contributes L alpha line, and if the vacancy in L shell is filled up by an electron of N shell, it contributes L beta and so on. This is represented in the figure. The frequency of radiation depends upon the target material. Hence, this spectra is known as characteristic spectra.
Now L series. Do you know anything about it? L series having small atomic numbers. Yes, good. L series anodes having small atomic number produce these long wavelengths, spectral lines. These rays have low energy because there is a small difference between two energy levels. L series anodes having small atomic number produce these long wavelengths, spectral lines. These rays have low energy because there is a small difference between two energy levels. Let's watch be carefully this video. If you have any question and queries about the topic, so feel free to ask. No question. Till next topic, bye. If you like this video, like, subscribe and share, and don't forget to hit the bell icon #eager to learn.